Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Florin local and long-distance movers near me. Any move of 100 miles or more is considered a long-distance move. We specialize in this type of move and help you get your things to your new location safely. Our long-distance movers will save you time and make moving days simple. We offer loading, transportation, and unloading to help save you time. Other services we provide include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire a California moving company might not seem necessary for a local move. You might think you can do this yourself. Are you really ready to pack up all your things, load them into a truck, unload them, and unpack them at your new location? It's a big job, and it might take you an entire week to complete. With the help of 3 movers, you save time on your local move. We do all the heavy lifting, which means you don't have to call up friends or family to help. Instead, let us streamline the process and get you settled into your new location faster. Our team can handle your move, no matter the size, in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Florin moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.